Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Threads account permanently. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Thread account. Okay, so once you open Thread, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner and click on two bars on the top right. Here you need to click on account and here you can see the first option is deactivate profile. So it will temporarily deactivate your account. So how you can do that permanently? You simply need to go back and click on help center. So once you are in help center, you simply need to click on this search icon and here you need to search for delete. Click on that. So click on delete your Instagram account. Scroll down, click on delete your account. Here you need to mention the reason. Here you need to re-enter your password and click on delete. So once you delete your Instagram account, your Thread account will be automatically deleted permanently. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.